I'm getting ready to install a stereo system in the RZR, and anyway, this is the RZR right here. It's a RZR XP900, and I'm going to put this Pyle system in right here, this Pyle amplifier. I think I'm going to put it right over here, right there, and then I'm going to put a switch, on-off switch for the amplifier. Then I'm using these BOSS stereos, or the speaker systems, and they're right there. I bought this Rockville amplifier, but it's actually too big for this setup, so I'm gonna return it. I'm going to use the Pyle, and then I also bought a switch, on-off switch right there, and I got some 10 gauge wire, red and black. And then I got some speaker wire right here, and I'm going to go ahead and get started. Okay, so here's the system right here, and this is where I'm going to put the positive power connection right there, ground connection, and then the remote turn on. I don't have a head unit, so what I'm going to have to do is use a switch to actually turn these on right here. The positive and the remote, they're going to come on at the same time with the switch. That turns on the amplifier, and then I'm going to have a 2-channel system basically. So I'm going to run wires from here and here to the speakers, and then I'm going to be using these inputs right here, I believe, but I'll find out for sure once I read the manual. Correction, I'm actually going to be using these inputs right here, left and right, and that would be controlling the volume here. Okay, so the system does appear that it'll fit very nicely right there. So in between the driver and passenger seat, I can get this wired up nicely and mounted right there. And again, what I'm going to do, planning on doing, is putting a switch right here, on-off switch. Okay, hopefully there'll be plenty of room. I did check it out. Looks like there's plenty of room for the switch to be there. So I'm going to go ahead and do that. Now I'm going to go ahead and connect the wires. Looks like I need about 3 feet. 3 feet of wire. At this time, I'm not going to use a fuse. I'm just going to hook it up directly. Later, I'm going to have a fused wire going from the battery to the amplifier, but I don't have one for this video. So for now, I'm just going to hook it up and then see how it sounds once it's done. Got everything hooked up now, and the speakers are hooked up. And what I did was I got this little Bluetooth Taotronics, and that's hooked up to the 2-channel system right over here like this. So I'm not going to use the 4-channel system, so I got it hooked up to channel 1 and 2. And then I got the Bluetooth here. I'll probably strap it down right there, this cord. I'll take this with me, and that's that.